Now the subject of this video is going to be using this Bekonix Designer app. I'm going to click choose device right here. And because my ItsyBitsy has power to it, you can see a faint light, red light there. I can click on ItsyBitsy and we now have some programs that have come up. And if I click on one of them and click play, you can see that we've got something going on our light ring. Now we can change these patterns. You can see that change the pattern. Change it to another pattern. This is another one that Chloe made. Play something different. This is the way my Bekonix program shows up on my computer screen, the designer program right here, this icon. On yours, you won't have these folders. These are my folders, but you will have these two folders and down at the bottom, and this one, BI Projects, will have samples that you can use to test your ItsyBitsy controller to see that you did get the operating system like I showed in the previous video. Here's what it looks like. Here's what the ItsyBitsy looks like out of the box. And I installed the operating system using this cable, data cable. This is the smallest form factor I can come up with for a wearable. Velcro on the back, fuzzy Velcro. Hook Velcro on the wearable. Now I can attach it and choose device again. And we're now playing a program. Now, this battery is another LiPo. This one I showed you here is by KittenBot. It's just in a package with a KittenBot name. These LiPo batteries have what's called a JST plug that plugs into this little addition on the ItsyBitsy. See, this one out of the box does not have that addition for the JST plug, so I bought for $5 this extra little backpack and soldered it on, so we're now portable. There'll be more on this.